Biceps workout for beginners. 1. Bicep curls. No bicep exercise would be finished without this mark move. Bicep twists are one of the most famous free weight bicep practices around. Assuming you remain before a mirror for this one, which we urge to survey structure and capacity, you can perceive how every muscle in the bicep family moves. In the beginning position, you will hold your hand weight with your arms straight, palms looking out, and your feet shoulder width separated to equally disperse your weight. Increase current standards up to bare tallness utilizing a controlled development and keep your elbows at your sides. Stop at the top and take one breath prior to bringing down the bar down. 2. The incline twisting curl. The wind in this move is steady. Rather than a wrist flick, you will gradually divert your wrists from confronting your sides to confronting your chest. The slope keeps your middle stable so your arms take every one of the actions and some additional gravity on the lift expands the degree of trouble, too. In the beginning position, you will lie on a grade seat holding the hand weights close by with your arms straight, palms confronting the seat. Breathe out as you raise the hand weights up to your shoulders, twisting at the elbows and turning at the wrists to get done with your palms confronting your chest. Stop toward the finish of your breathe out. 3. Easy bar curl. This twist is really powerful for the width of your biceps. It triggers the top of the bicep that needs to accomplish more with mass than stature once more. You truly don't have any desire to influence this activity. 5 sets. 4. Cable curl. Cables and bands allow a greater tension on the bicep. This causes a better stretch for growing the muscle. You can do single arm and double arm for max results. 3 sets. 5. Straight bar curl. This will constrain your biceps to be set in a supinated position. Supinated. Turning of the palm so it is confronting vertically outward. A supinated position permits full flex of the bicep during a twist. 3 sets. 6. Hammer curls. Hammer curls are great for mass and hitting small areas of the muscle that other exercises don't. Going too heavy makes people use their back instead of their biceps on this one. Make sure you are controlling the weight on the way up and down. 3 sets. 7. Preacher curls. Exceptionally hard, yet at the same profoundly successful. These twists segregate your biceps like no other exercise. You can do these with free weights or even with a bar. Ensure you're not harming your back with this one as excessively weighty of weight makes you need to pull with your whole body. 5 sets. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.